Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the video. I really appreciate it. Right now I'm having issues with my garage door opener. I don't know what's going on with it in reality. But like if you try to set the limit, let me see if I'm gonna press it and hold it up. You see how it starts blinking. And then when I try pressing it up, it just goes up and pauses. Even though I'm pressing and holding the button, I press and hold the button, but it doesn't go all the way up. I really do not know what's going on. It just keeps on doing it and pauses and pauses and pauses. And the same thing, like if I'm gonna press it down, like I'm gonna program it to go down. See? It just goes down and pauses. And I'm holding the button, so I don't know why it does that. I don't know what's going on with this thing. And it has like that red light, and what is that, like purple light or violet light or whatever. I'm gonna be just, I don't know. I'm expecting a call from the Genie company, and maybe they can figure out what's going on. Because it is still under warranty, because supposedly those have 10-year warranties, at least that's what I'm told. So let me try to find out what's going on, and I'll do the video. Okay, I just got off the phone with the Genie support rep, and I don't know if you can see here how it has the, let me turn on the light, it's probably a little bit better, where you can see the door that's engaged. They had me release this, the cotter pin, basically this thing here, the cotter pin, and then take this thing out just so this can be free moving. And we did the button again, and it kept on doing that in pauses. So they had me take the black part off of this thing here. You can see one screw there, and then you can see one screw there on the bottom, and then the other one on that side. And let me show you how it looks like inside. Oh, okay, so right before you do unscrew it, you do have to unplug it from the wall. You can see the cable there on the side. And then this is how it looks like when it's off completely. And what they had me do was, I don't know if you can see there, this cable here, they had me unplug it. It basically slides out. And then after I did that, I don't know if you can see the red and black wires here. They had me basically pull straight down, both of them. And you have to wait a minute. I guess that's kind of some type of reset or something. And then we tried it again, and it still did that, where it paused even without holding the door. So they said that a relay encoder is bad. And it's basically the encoder, as if you can see here, follow the wire. It's this black thing here. This is what's bad, and it has to get replaced. So I'm gonna order it. Actually thinking of whether ordering it or getting a whole new one. I'm gonna see which is cheaper, and then replacing it. It says it comes with instructions, so either way I'll make a video, but that's what gets replaced. You can see that black object there, that plastic thing. Let's see if I can point to it real quick. Yeah, you just follow the cable basically, and that's that item there that needs to get replaced. So for now, I'm gonna leave the video as is, kind of like a troubleshooting guide of what to do. And in my case, I'm gonna be replacing that black thing. I think it's called the encoder. I got the part number, and I'll put it on the description as well. But I'm going to do a separate video of either replacing that encoder, or I'm going to see how much a new unit costs. If the new unit is too expensive, then I'm just going to do the encoder and do a video. But either way, I will do a video of one or the other. So thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and like the video. I really appreciate it. And any questions or comments, or even tips, put them in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thanks.